I'm Gus with SHARPERTEK, and here we are to demonstrate the XPS-180. The XPS-180 is a 6-liter that was made here in the United States. We make it here in the shop. It comes with the ultrasonic tank, the cover, and the basket. It has a temperature controller. You can set the temperature to any temperature you want. When the heating element is on, you will see the little red light. The controls for the ultrasonics is here. This is an on-off for the ultrasonics, and the heating can still run even if the ultrasonics is off. This is on-off for the machine, so when you turn this off, the heater shuts off with it. So I'll turn the heater on from here, and then the ultrasonic on from here. This is a timer. I can go +5 and -5 minutes on the timer. And over here we have the degas mode, where it cycles the ultrasonic on and off to release all the air from the liquid, and it degasses. Also, we have a sweep button that would vary the frequency, which helps better coverage on the tank. And the sweep bottom is here, and you can see the sweep action working now. I'm going to switch back to standard mode. With the standard mode, you'll read the U here. If it was sweep, it will say S, and if it's degas, it will say D. Now this is standard mode, and we're going to test the ultrasonic power. Normally anything above 20 is considered good, and it cleans. So we're going to put the probe in and start the probe. And here we're reading anywhere between 70 an average. It's going up and down, which is considered very, very, very good. We will run aluminum foil test. So I'll take a piece of aluminum and I'll put it in the tank and see how it generates the holes in the aluminum. The same ultrasonic energy that cleans your part can poke holes in aluminum. So I'm gonna put the aluminum in, let the air out of the aluminum. And let it run for a little while. Now what's happening is the water molecules are separating and collapsing, causing small explosions. These explosions is what pokes holes in the aluminum. These small decavitations or small implosions, they generate 5,000 degrees of heat spot energies, which causes the cleaning. I don't know if you can see it here, but we're starting to get some holes and some bigger holes in the aluminum. And we're going to keep the aluminum in it for a minute, and we'll see what it looks like after that. So this unit can, the temperature ranges from room temperature all the way up to 170 degrees, which is very, very good for cleaning. Normally our chemicals that we sell, you would have to run them between 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to pull the piece of aluminum and look to see if we see the holes. And this is what it looks like. There's a lot of big holes that you can see, but there's a lot of very tiny holes all the way around the big holes. And it depends on how the piece of aluminum is sitting in the water, and how it's touching the water, the holes would generate in different spots. In order to get like a more better distributed hole pattern, you can also try the sweep button here. And what this does, it sweeps the frequency, and then you get the holes to be distributed more evenly on the piece of aluminum. Normally in the sweep you'd have to run this for a couple of minutes, but here we're gonna pull it out in less than that, so that we don't keep you watching the movie for too long. So this is with the sweep. You can see a lot more holes here, and they are a lot more even. All these little holes here that you see here, these were not here before the sweep mode. So I'm going to switch back, and if you zoom in a little bit on the water, you'll see the surface water, how it moves. Now as the temperature rises, you'll start seeing bubbles in the liquid jumping on both sides when it gets to the 170 degrees. But this is considered a very, very powerful entry unit machine. And that's it.